Hi, this is Kate, and this is how I dyed these tan suede heels pink. What you're going to need is a brush to brush out the nappiness of your suede product. You're going to need suede dye and suede protectant for afterwards. So this video was rushed in the very beginning. This is the suede dye that I used, and after brushing out my suede heels, I put on 2 coats, allowing the suede dye to dry in between of this suede dye on the heels. And so after it fully dried, I did actually spray it with protectant, but then I realized that I had to brush it out, which you are seeing me do in the video at this point. And so it's a messy process to brush this out. And I used a smaller brush at first, but then I changed over to this larger paddle brush to brush out the suede, and it was instantly better. And so it takes a little bit of time. It's a little messy, but after brushing it out, then you spray it down with the sealant, and it makes a bigger difference, and it helps seal in and protect the suede. And so you can see that it's a little messy here, and I recommend doing this outside or in a well-ventilated area. But overall, I like how the heels came out, and I will put better instructions in the link in bio because I lost all the footage of dyeing this shoe in the first place. So that was unhelpful in making this video, but I thought I would pop on and at least show you the footage that I do have. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and click like and hit subscribe to see more videos.